Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 15th of July 2025. So today BURSA quite a big drop lah, but not extremely big, but quite a significant drop lah, okay, which rendered the chart a bit more bearish now lah, okay, a bit worrisome lah, okay. And also a big news, a few news that actually spooked the market. One is a ZETRIX gonna reprimand by BURSA lah, and the director gonna fine, okay, and this due to some misleading announcement according to BURSA. And also we got this NATGATE, okay, big drop today, gonna investigate by MACC due to this metal smuggling lah. Later we're gonna check out the news so this one also negative sentiment. And also we hear that this technology stock, okay, still in limbo lah somewhat, because the tariff stock still not yet, okay, but our minister are trying to get the tariff deal done but there's still something stuck lah, okay. One of it is due to this contract okay, contract that not awarded to overseas lah, not open to overseas company lah, something like that lah, okay. So that's why there's still dispute, so hopefully you can go through lah. But as for now, I think for me also, I think I will cut down my this technology stock, all this okay, holding. I wait for my cut down. I wait for the next move, okay, next move, okay. Let's say the negotiation gone bad, okay, it dropped, okay, so I cut down, keep some cash. Let's say it drop, I will pick again at the lower price, okay, at the lower price, okay. So I will average, let's say now I get certain price, let's say 1 ringgit. Also negotiation back, so it drop to lower and make another bottom, okay. Then probably I will add, okay, I will start to pick again average a bit okay. Or let's say negotiation done well, breakout, okay, the stock big reversal breakout, then I will jump back it. I think now it's too risky to hold too much, to hold a lot okay. I think I will also cut down a bit, wait for the next move, then we re-enter. I think it's better okay, because for now quite worrisome and this US also keep on hitting a lot of countries with big tariff okay, a bit worrisome okay. Quick disclaimer before we continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so my ongoing strategy I think I need to keep a part of the bullet for the next move. Either it's move up, I want to add, okay, contract the trade deal negotiation done well, then I add. Not well, it drop, big drop, okay, I wait for the big drop, then I some more or I add, okay. So let's look at KLSE first. Now it's 420 okay. Not market not close now it's 1528. KLSE dropped 8.5 point, 8.56 point, 0.557%, and Singapore dropped up 0.311%, Hong Kong up 1.434%, South Korea up 0.414%, Japan up 0.553%, Thailand up 1.335%, China FTSE dropped 0.405%, China SSE dropped 0.416%, China ZETRIX up 0.562%, Australia up 0.699%, and Taiwan up 0.977%. Okay, so others still okay China weak, Malaysia weak, but others still okay. Look at India, Nifty also up 0.387%. Look at Europe, DAX, UK FTSE up 0.083%. DAX German up 0.374%. Yesterday night Dow Jones up US up 0.199%. NYSE up 0.164%. S&P up 0.141%, and NASDAQ up 0.266%. And our this government joining, joining become BRIC partner BRIC good friend of BRIC also is not, it's negative for the US tariff talk seems like little negative but we don't know yet how whether they can, maybe they can still strike a good deal but a bit worried okay, so we have to continue wait and see okay, continue wait and see okay. Well, you know, Trump has been threatening with this tariff on these BRICS a lot of things that he doesn't like about these BRICS. Okay, crude palm oil 4,107, still okay still strong. Brent oil dropped a bit 68, crude oil 66, gold 3,372, silver 38.6. So the gold and silver still strong, still getting higher due to this tariff threat okay, market still scared okay. Look at US dollar against ringgit 4.2390, Bitcoin receded okay, 116.79, and Ethereum 2972 okay. Later we're going to take a look. I think they will retrace, but whether it can go another higher I'm not sure, but I think it will drop first okay. Later we take a look at the chart. Do take note okay. Okay, KLCI 1528 now is 8.52 points, drop 0.55%, now is 422 okay. 2.791 billion. Market sentiment 37, not good. Gainers 371, losers 615, unchanged 489, and untrade 954. Foreign fund yesterday net buy 1 million, local institution net sell 10 million, and local retail buy net buy 9 million okay. ZETRIX drop due to this reprimand, and this NATGATE drop due to this investigation on the scrap metal smuggling thing okay. So other than that, market scared all scared okay. Look at the sector, you know construction drop 1.13, consumer drop 0.41, energy drop 0.89, finance drop 0.63, healthcare drop 0.81, industry drop 0.25, plantation drop 0.18, property drop 0.48, REIT up 0.67, technology drop 0.63, telco drop 0.53, transportation drop 0.71, and utilities drop 0.49 okay. Okay, so KLCI you see looks like KLCI is not going higher so it's making a lower high already. Seems like it doesn't look good for now okay, unless it can break out looks like it's making a channel okay, making a channel down okay, making a channel down looks like it's doing okay, looks like it's doing this okay. So unless there is a break higher here okay, unless there is a break higher, then only we talk okay, then only there is a possible rebound here okay. Need to break out, break 1542. If break above, then I think then only bullish. Now I think it's making lower low here, also lower low here. It still can make a flat pattern. I'm not saying it totally not totally. It could make a flat pattern and break out. Okay, if we see this breakout, then I will add. Okay, I will take or cut down. Okay, keep some bullet just in case. This one continue to like that. Okay, it never break out, continue to drop. So I'm trying to cut down a bit. Okay, because the red color also seems like gone already. Okay, koyak already for now. So we want to continue and see. Too much risk okay, to be all in now too much risk okay, to be all in and RSI also starting to drop below 50 okay, a bit alarming okay, a bit alarming okay. Ace market, so Ace market looks like making a turnaround also or making this this reversal pattern okay, this pin bar, bearish pin bar. Mid drop 0.07, mid cap drop 0.6, also bearish engulfing look like mid lower high also looks like coming down. Small cap 0.47 looks a little bit of a dark cloud cover okay. So for now construction, okay, construction probably stuck here double top okay. It's possible that construction stuck here double top, so suddenly it look quite bearish okay, so for today So I'm listening to those development of the tariff top all these so a bit alarming okay. Energy mother and son so we have to wait for the next move okay, whether break above mother head or drop below mother leg. So unable to break out also for now. Look at what else. Technology okay, look like technology could be turning around. Look like double top, I think could be forming double top and making lower making lower low okay. So Energy, I think you have to watch 51. Okay, if it really drop 51 below 51, I think better out first, out for the whole thing. Wait for it to drop much lower, then we try again. Then we try collect again and see. Okay, so now a bit looking at the market, a bit worried. Okay, look at Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, Bitcoin we got today I think we will have a confirmation bar unless we close at a bullish pin bar tonight Okay, we have to wait what happened to US. But this seems like this seems like it almost hit this target area. It hit 1, 2, 3 so almost near. So we cannot say that Bitcoin did not reach our target area, because even a tail come to almost close to 128 because as I said okay, this target, right, okay, this head cup and handle target, it's not a flat line. We cannot call it flat line. We call it a area. Okay, somewhere there Okay, somewhere there. Okay, so it really almost reached there somewhere there So okay, I think okay, there is a possible one more push up, but okay, you might want to cut down your risk means might want to take some profit, because I think this one will drop after this drop. Okay, after this drop, whether it will make a higher high, nobody know. But I think very likely it will have a drop. Okay, back to this 110 or back to this 105. Okay, so it looks like it Okay, but whether it can rebound again, nobody know but seems like it. But we have to see tonight after the Bitcoin market close, whether this is a big bearish candle or not. Means okay, a close of 2-3-4% drop Okay, 2-3% drop. After close then I think this one is coming back down for short term Long term you have to wait Ethereum still okay Ethereum still a bit okay, but Ethereum is making this also, right? It's making okay, looks like Ethereum is making this also which is not good ascending flag. Okay, others like coin also all start to drop Okay, so you might want to if you are trading, you might want to take some position, take some profit first, wait for drop, then whether we want to see whether it can go higher or not Okay. Bit alarming John Sniper. Headache everyone else headache I hear those news are coming out about tariff, all this, and Trump is no slowing down okay, he's slapping this he's going to slap this Russia with 100%, all these things so he I mean he is stepping on the gas today. KLCI other V power Sifu got not much V power today Oh, you mean down power, V power? And he say foreign fund now running He say if BURSA want to turn to bullish fortune 好转turn bullish but he says this what they mean this some this government policy that is a bit headache he say. Sifu 02 panic sell smuggling news 02 later we take a look at the news this NATGATE. Okay, MRCB 还可以进去玩嘛 Samantha MRCB I think MRCB long term still okay okay, big project. Okay, MRCB I think slowly going try wait for a drop first in order you want to jump in, not overbought here okay, wait for a drop first. I think long term is going up it's like a channel okay, it's like making a channel okay, it's like making a channel, right? Okay, so try to buy. If you want to buy try to buy after a drop SK, if start learn invest in US, if want to start invest in US, if want to invest in US, when start to learn, how to start to learn. He think that foreign fund not there to play Malaysia. No lah, I think after this tariff, all this settle, I think foreign fund will still come in. Malaysia is not too bad lah, okay, compared to, I mean it's not bad lah, Malaysia, it's quite stable lah compared to some other country, okay. But for now, trade war lah, so no foreign fund all scared lah, even not only Malaysia lah, other country also they scared lah, so you want to invest US, I got talk Saturday, Sunday, Saturday I got talk US you can watch lah, and remember my kung fu can work on US market or Hong Kong, Malaysia. I mean any stock market lah, it can work lah, but try to play the big stock market lah, not the small very thin volume one lah. Okay, the big stock market, US lah, Hong Kong lah, Singapore lah, all this lah. Okay, bigger stock market lah, London lah, all this lah, up to you lah. Okay, but my kung fu can apply to stock market, gold, gold chart, stock market chart, gold chart, forex chart, and also this Bitcoin chart, all these so if you work, it can work on all these things one if you want to learn. Okay, hot trees very hot. Want to turn on aircon, but now I think the oil the electric price during the day went up, right? Only at night goes down, right? So you want to turn on the aircon, so now everyone want to turn on aircon the whole day. We are very hot, right? But now you turn on aircon, I think the tariff, I think the electricity price is higher, right? But don't care, I turn on the aircon hot. Turn on the aircon first. No, I don't turn on the aircon because actually I just took bath lah. After took bath, I think better. The hair is wet or better don't straight away turn on the aircon. Okay, I don't think it's good. Hot already drop already lah. Hot already drop lah. So hot, any rebound I think chance to run first lah. Okay. Alarm. Oh, this one cannot see lah. Sorry this one too volatile lah. Okay, too volatile. Now it's just flat lah. Okay, any big rebound above here, I think it will run lah. I think any big rebound, you need to stay above here at least a few days lah. Okay. 0.43 lah. Okay, need to break 0.43 first. Scammer, a lot in content page, should block them one by one. Kacau. People want to read real comments. Okay, I try to block lah, but you block also no use. Every day they're using different name so I block also no use one. They got so many different name, right? So many users. Okay lah, I try to block them lah. Okay, more lah. But I block also no use one. They are using different name every day. My IG waterfall lah, Timothy. My IG also never break out lah. Okay, NATGATE got break out. Luckily NATGATE already go up a bit then only come down now lah. So also didn't lose a lot lah. Lose a little bit. I think NATGATE better out first lah. Dangerous lah. Until we saw big rebound lah. John Sniper, yep. Tak lao. It's bad. Andy, sad lah. Aaron. Andy no mood, said this so slow. It's bedtime, night. This is what Stephen Curry did, right? After he whacked 4 or 5 3-point in a row, right? At the ending of the France Olympic, right? Okay, the France Olympic game, right? At the end of France Olympic game, he tarot 4 or 4, not 5, I think 4 3-pointer in a row, right? So then he put this France to night lah. But the strong team, you can see, right, is this it's not France, it's US. US, I think after this, all these big LeBron, all these, they are so old, after they retire, I don't think they will be so strong anymore, but I think the team that is strong is this one, I think the Serbian team, very strong. The Serbian team is very strong. Okay. The Serbian team was leading US only through the last quarter, right? But in the France, US were leading most of the time, right? But in the Serbian, okay, the match with the Serbia, right? Okay, US was behind, so far behind until the fourth quarter when they taro all the superstar, Curry, LeBron, all the superstar all in, then only they managed to beat the top of the top, what they call it, not superstar, those are the god not superstar NBA got but those are the god they put in all the god one shot only they managed to beat Serbia. Okay, yeah, that match was crazy Stephen Curry, oh my god, I think this they really back, these France really cried looking at what he did. Tarot four 3 point in a row, right? Pharma coming again. This one yesterday or today? Yesterday one, sorry. Okay lah, that's it here. Look at the news. Okay. Okay, look at some news.
US tariff threats boost gold futures.
Okay. So gold might keep on going higher, okay, but the long term, I don't think it's a good time to buy.
The gold futures contracts on BURSA Malaysia derivatives ended higher as concerns over the United States, US tariff threats lifted the precious metals price.
Okay, the trading maybe but you are long-term investing one, I think too high to chase.
Ramsol to sell 40% stake in RAIDED to US tech firm to accelerate auto tech growth.
Okay, Ramsol selling their this one of their company Ramsol already hit target area, already hit all-time high here. I think not a good place to buy I think the news also come out. I don't think it's a good time to buy here.
Trump threatens 100 PCT tariffs on Russia without Ukraine deal in 50 days.
Okay, so now Russia is the next one to target on this tariff.
China's January to June property investment falls 11.2 PCT year on year.
Also, this property really slowing down. Okay.
Nvidia says it will resume sales of H20 feet AI chips to China.
Okay, so I think this is part of their trade deal so China, so they'll continue to sell the H20.
It developed the H20, a less powerful version of its AI processing units, specifically for export to China. However, the plan stalled in April when the Trump administration tightened export license requirements.
Okay, so they're giving this, they are sending this H20 which is not the top one. I think top one is what, B200 or G200. I think, okay, so but at least China still can get access to this AI chip Okay.
T7 Global Unit wins oil and gas contract extension from Hibiscus.
Okay. T7 Global. Also the break drop, nothing much better not touch. This was the news.
BURSA reprimands ZETRIX, slaps RM 1.05 mil fines on 7 directors.
Okay.
BURSA Malaysia has publicly reprimanded ZETRIX AI BHD, formerly MyEG Services BHD, and imposed RM 1.05 million fines on 7 of its directors for breaching the main market listing requirements. BURSA said ZETRIX had committed multiple breaches, including failing to ensure that its announcements were factual, accurate, not false and misleading, as well as failing to make an immediate announcement to clarify the announcement. The fines were imposed against its Group Managing Director Wong Thian Soon, Executive Chairman Datuk Noraisa Muhammad and Director Datuk Mode Jimmy Wong Abdullah.
Okay, so this announcement that they think is factual and misleading all this so
ZETRIX AI to challenge BURSA reprimand over misleading disclosures.
Okay, so they want to challenge I want to see continue and see how it goes okay. ZETRIX, remember I said ZETRIX not yet breakout not yet breakout 1.06. I don't it's not. I mean it's not a good time to catch to buy so we have to wait for breakout now today drop we have to see whether how much how is a further development, but better I mean I don't invest in company that got this case got this case with BURSA got this case with this court all these things so very dangerous okay.
Malaysia intensifies talks with US on tariffs, non-tariff barriers.
Okay. This one
On the issues where we cannot move, which is the red line, again, I have signed a non-disclosure agreement, but I can share with you. Some of the issues are related to equity interests. In certain sectors, Malaysia has equity restrictions for foreign shareholders for certain sectors. There is a request for us to relook or liberalize those sectors.
Some sector that restriction to foreign shareholder okay, so this the one of this and one of this is another this non-tariff issue okay, so I have to continue and monitor this one.
Skygate Solutions up stake in automation unit to 95% via share deal.
Okay.
In a bourse filing on Friday, Skygate said it is buying the additional 44% stake, comprising 219,999 shares, from Skygate Integration's founder Ong Chi Fui. The acquisition will be satisfied through the issuance of 14.63 million new Skygate shares at 67 sen per share, representing a 1.33% premium to the 5-day volume-weighted average price, VWAP, of the company's shares prior to the deal.
Okay, remember like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, hit the like button for me. Okay, and also remember hit the subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, so whenever there's a new video every day, you can get the notification. Okay, Skygate. Skygate is still trending down. Nothing too much to talk about yet Okay, despite the news Okay, still trending down.
NATGATE unit raided by MACC over alleged scrap metal smuggling. NATGATE Holdings BHD said its wholly owned subsidiary was raided by the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission, MACC, as part of an ongoing investigation into alleged scrap metal smuggling. The raid took place on Monday at the premises of NATGATE Solution, MSDN BHD, the company said in a filing with BURSA Malaysia today. The board views these allegations with utmost seriousness and has taken proactive steps to ensure full cooperation with the MACC and to safeguard the integrity of the investigation, it said.
Okay, so they want to cooperate with MACC and to continue and see NATGATE I think better. Look at the chart first. Okay, so there is some buying up lah. I think NATGATE better let go first lah. So there's some buying up. I think better let go first and see what's the next development lah. Whether it can at least have a rebound lah in the next few days lah. Okay, let's see this support line. So yeah, it dropped below the support line. Okay. So there's still some support. It's not too bad yet. You see the market is still buying it up, still buying it up, okay, after a drop. Okay. Well, you see, right, after the news come out or get down, they're still buying. This could still come back and up to cover the the drop. So but don't hold too much when you have this type of news come out, bad negative news. Okay. Okay, so a quick message before I continue to top gainers. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link. Okay, let's check out top gainers. Offstar Wasco. Offstar trying to rebound, As long as stay above 40 cents, maybe we have maybe got a chance to rebound. You want to try this, okay, make sure you have to watch 40 cents. Okay, so it should not drop below 40 cents. It might have a rebound, but this is short term, not for this, not for our type of medium term. I think now short term is making a uptrend, slowly is uptrending, so far okay, maybe it can back to 0.6, but I'm not very keen this one, because first it's still on a downtrend. Okay, still on a big downtrend, and for me at least you have to break 60 cents first for long term. This one short term maybe you get something. Okay, UWC slowly going. This one I have to wait. I said this technology maybe cut down first, don't hold too much. Okay, because we are concerned that we might not get a good deal, because a lot of these involved Malaysia now involved with BRICS, all these so this Miss American don't like okay, so I'm gonna continue and see Okay, Vasco still okay if you are in, as long as it's still slowly going up. Okay, if you're not yet in, you need to break $1 first. Okay, if you're already in, it's still trying to test here Okay, it's trying to test this bottom here. I think as long as stay above here, I think it's okay Okay, as long as stay above here, it's still fine 93 cents Okay, but the big resistance is 103 1.03 Okay, HIGHTEC CMSV. HIGHTEC didn't break out. Okay, have to wait. CMSV have to wait for the breakout 1.29, not yet. Destiny. Destiny hit target area already. Not a good time to chase. It's a time to take profit. CloudPoint. CloudPoint already double top here already. Already break the uptrend. I think better this one also. Nothing much to look at yet. Winstar. Winstar is slowly still going up. As long as it stay above 50 cents, okay. Okay, drop below 50, you have to be careful. Okay. Nothing much happen. Nothing much but I think a bit worried down. Okay, here's some rumors coming which is not so good. So I think better don't hold too much for now lah. We want to keep some. We want to wait for the next move. Either a big drop, then we collect again at the big drop, or if everything goes well, it start to break out, then only we add lah. Okay. Talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.